Hey guys, NielVTEC here. Today I'll be showing you how to replace your weather strip on your Honda Civic. So the reason why you would want to replace your weather strip, there could be many reasons, such as water is getting inside your car, which in my case when I was in a car wash, I was also getting washed with a car, which is not a really good seal. And when I'm in the highway, there was like a lot of wind noise compared to like the other side, which that could be another reason. So if you have one of these problems, it's probably because your weather strips are not good anymore. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to replace just that on the Honda Civic. So in my case, as you can see, there's holes here and there's also another hole here at the bottom. So when there's water that gets inside from the top, it comes out from the bottom. So it goes out in the driver's side and sprays onto the driver. So yeah, even the wind goes from here and makes a lot of noise. That's why I'm replacing my weather strip. So you can start by either taking this off or taking this 12mm bolt. So in my case, I'll be removing this first, just in case if I'm not able to take it out, all those hard work are not going to be useless. So yeah. So to take your weather strip off, it's pretty simple. You don't need any tools. All you need is your hands. So hopefully you have a pair of them. So all you're going to be doing is literally just pulling them off. But I would start from the bottom and I'm going to be showing you guys the proper way to do it. So the weather strip is holding by the orange clip right there, as you can see. If you pull it off, you're not going to be able to do it. So you're going to like maneuver it, because you can see there's going to be a hole that you're going to be needing to put it onto the clip, just like this. For your old weather strip that you're going to be replacing, obviously you don't need to be careful, but when you're going to be putting it back in, you're going to be doing just like that. But for now, you can literally just pull this off, but I suggest being careful because if you pull it off, the clip might come out, so you don't want that from happening. And that's pretty much it. We're moving on to the harder part, which is putting it back in. Taking it out is probably way easier compared to when you're gonna put it back in, because you're gonna need to like do a proper job and putting back all the clips from the weather strip. Just be patient, make sure you're doing a good job, and that's pretty much all I can tell you. Once you clip both corners, you can put back the bolt, so it's going to be a lot easier for you. So for the top part, which is probably the hardest part, is putting them back. So if you can see here, there's a dent inside, and on the seal there's also this. So what you want to do is put them back in there, just like this. Yeah, this stuff. So yeah, you do that for the rest until there. Just keep doing that and I'll show you guys the next thing you guys are gonna do. So the last thing you're gonna want to do is push the seal really tight, just to make sure they're sealed properly. And yeah, what I would recommend is going over all of it just to make sure all the clips are in, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This could take you around 30 minutes to an hour depending on your skill set. The toughest thing to do is probably the putting back the clips and putting the top part of the seal properly in place, but it's all about the patience and just take your time and do a proper job. And yeah, another problem I've encountered doing this, it's probably finding the right weather strip. My auto parts store doesn't really sell them, so I had to like go to a junkyard to find a good one that's in a good condition. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, if this video helped you out, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, subscribe if you want more videos like this, and yeah, enjoy your new weather strip.
I knew I was not gonna enjoy this.